Bismillah. And here we are again, guys. And we have an unboxing of our own DJI Mini 2 Fly More combo. As you can see, the box is properly sealed. It's so amazing. It's also written here, it's 249 gram. Of course, all the informations has been written. And let's go unboxing for this. I can't wait anymore. Let's use a sharpened knife for this. Let's open the box. As you can see, DJI will give you a bag if you will bought a Fly More combo. Okay, this is empty carton. And then let's open the side packet. It's empty. Let's open inside. I'm so excited. Oh, this is the machine. A little machine. It's so great to have you. It's so great. I'm so happy to have you. And then of course, the remote control joystick. Let's open later. I think this is the batteries. The other instructions manual. Let's open the packet inside. You will see a three set of propellers and a connectors and a set of extra joystick and of course a screw included in it. And that's all. I think this is all include on your Fly More combo. The propellers, pre-propellers actually you have on your machine, and this is just an extra 3 sets of propellers, a screwdriver, a set of extra joystick. This is the remote control joystick. Let's open. It's so nice. This is the antenna, of course. Let's check later. Let's open this first. I think this is battery. Yes, of course, the battery included on it. 2 batteries, I think. And the 1 battery is inside the machine. A total of 3 batteries. You will charge on it in there. I like it. I really like it actually. And then inside of the box it's included the this is the connector if you have an Android, a type C to type C, and a type micro USB to type C USB, and the charger. This is a type A USB to the type C, a USB connector for your charger. And this is let's open the manual, of course. I never read a manual for any gadgets I bought. I never read the manual. I just follow the instructions, search on YouTube on how to make. There's a lot of tapes. Let's remove. Of course, this is the guard, safety guard for your propellers. Let's remove the stickers. Gimbal, this is the gimbal. There is also stickers. It's so hard to remove the stickers. Let's open. As you can see, there's a battery inside. A total of 3 batteries. So you can charge it at once, but not charging at the same time. Once the one battery is fully charged, then the next battery will be charged. And the machine, of course, I really like it. Let's open the propellers. Yes. Okay, that's all. So great to have this. I'm really happy to have you, my Mini 2. And we will try it tomorrow for our DJI Mini 2 for his first flight. Yes. So great to have this toy. I really like it.